I wanted to take a minute to show how easy it is to get really messed up in Python and why it's so important to pay attention to what we're doing. So in the previous video, I talked a little bit about how you need to pay attention to where everything is, but I want to give you a really good example here of how you can get messed up really quick. So let's pretend here that we have this try except block and we've got our if statements and we want to change around, and let's say that we actually had this in a block, and let's say we said if 1 equals 1, just as an example. So we had an if statement here, and inside of that if statement we had this try block, and then we had this if else down here at the bottom of the try block. And let's say that we're going to get rid of the if statement because we no longer need it, and we're kind of redoing our code a little bit. And so we're going to delete this if statement, and then we're going to grab this try block and we're going to move it back one line here, one tab space. And again, you don't have anything to really wrap around what makes up that try block. And so you just go in and you just do this. So the code looks fine. There's nothing wrong with the code. It says that if you're to try to do this float evaluation, if it has an exception on the value error, look to see if answer is a Q, a capital Q, and then it does its thing. And then down at the bottom, it says if final answer equals round numerator, and it looks fine. The problem though that we have is that because we did not also move this back a tab space, it has now become part of this except block. So by us not realizing that we had extra code that used to be separate from the try block, it used to be part of the if statement, but now we got rid of the if statement, we moved our try block back a little bit, and to make it its own, part of this main block here. We didn't move this final answer block back, and so now it has inadvertently become part of the except block. So again, I don't really have too many problems with the Python programming language, and it obviously has some benefits to being able to do a lot of cool stuff, but it is something that you really, really, really need to pay attention to when you're making code changes, because you can inadvertently completely change the way that your code operates, and it'll take a little while to figure out what is happening because of one simple mistake by not grabbing these 4 or 5 lines to move back. So to fix the problem, all we have to do is grab these lines and move them back so that they line up with this definition of the function instead of inside of this except block. So hopefully that makes sense, but because this thing was tabbed over to be inside of the except block, it literally became part of the except block instead of standing on its own out here after the except block gets finished running. So that's just something, that's a really concrete example of how easy it is to make a mistake in Python and completely jack your program up if you're not paying complete attention when you start moving things left and right on the tab.